feels so right. So I pour my heart into your hands. It's like you really understand. You love the way I am, and you're my favorite thing. Oh, the happiness you bring.